So I went to Harbor Freight yesterday and I picked up this tool. It was like $7. Windshield removal tool. I've never taken any windows out of a car before. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but I have two that I want to attempt. One being the back glass and one being this quarter glass here. It's the only glass that's good in this car apart from the one salvageable T-top that I got. So anyway, let's try this out. I don't know how it's going to go. The good thing is if I break anything, it's fine. So how this tool works apparently is this end here, it's quite pokey and kind of got a bit of a blade on both sides. I guess I'm gonna stick it in, hold the handle here, use this other part of the handle to help pull straight down that, and I guess it's gonna cut the urethane. We're gonna find out. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I'm gonna be real honest with you. This sucks. This is not fun. Little cutter caught me once already. It's working pretty good. Like this bottom is getting loose. You can kind of push on it some. But this sucks. Well, did the tool help? Yeah, I think it did. But man, that job sucks. Got the glass out. That's good. No chips, no breaks. That's good. But my goodness, that urethane sucks. So, did this help? Absolutely. Again, you know, it's like $7, $8, $10. I forget exactly how much I paid. Is that worth it? Yeah, maybe so, especially if it helped me get this piece out and I can sell it for 4 or 5 times that price. Wonderful. If I sell this piece for $50, this has paid for itself multiple times over. Now, there's still one more glass I gotta mess with. That won't be for today because it is flipping hot. And, oh, this sucks. But we'll take care of that next time.